Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing the footage and the replacement background into VN. This matters because clean edges make masking accurate. Once imported, drag your subject clip to the main timeline and place the new background clip on the track beneath it so you can see layering. Make sure the project aspect ratio matches your final deliverable. Mismatched ratio forces scaling issues later. Next, trim the subject clip to the exact segment you'll remove the background from, keeping clips short for faster masking adjustments. Now you apply chroma key or a manual mask depending on your footage. If you shot on green, choose chroma key and use the eyedropper to sample the background color, then reduce tolerance and tweak edge feathering to avoid haloing. If the background isn't uniform, switch to the mask tool. Draw a rough polygon or brush around your subject and animate the mask with keyframes so it follows motion. Once done, enable spill suppression to neutralize color bleeding onto the subject for a natural composite. Finish by refining the mask and matching the foreground to the new background so the result reads as one scene. Go frame by frame near problem areas, adjust mask points and feathering, and use color tools, temperature, exposure, saturation, to blend lighting and perspective. Once it plays smoothly, render using the original resolution and frame rate to avoid artifacts. If you see flicker or leftover green, reopen the chroma key, lower tolerance slightly, or add a thin edge matte to hide fringing. That usually fixes remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.